Hello, class. I'm going to help you with the assignment, polynomial vocabulary. And as usual, I'll get the first one wrong. Find a number of terms in this polynomial. Okay, I'm going to say 1. I'm just showing you what to do if you get it wrong, okay? So you got to read it. But parts you can skip. Skip like explanation, that's just showing the problem you got wrong. So it says, remember, terms are expressions or numbers that are added or subtracted. You want to find how many terms this polynomial has. The terms being added or subtracted are negative 3x to the fourth and 10x. So there are 2 terms. And that's it. So how many terms are here? There's a term. There's a term. They're being separated by addition. So it's 2. Find the degree. I'm going to get this wrong. It's 1. And I'm doing this on purpose. Answer is 3. Explanation. Now here's what we got to remember. The degree of a term is the exponent on its variable. To find the degree of a polynomial, find the term with the largest degree. So you want to find the degree of this polynomial. Start by finding the degree of each term. Okay? And I'll just save you this. The first term has a degree of 3 because the variable has an exponent of 3. The second one has a degree of 2 because the variable has an exponent of 2. And this one is a constant. There's no exponent and has a degree of 0. So you take the highest one, and the highest is 3. So the degree is 3. Okay? And that's your answer. So the polynomial, this blah, 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 has a degree of 3. So the degree here, look at the variable, has an exponent of 8. So the degree is 8. Find the degree of this polynomial. This one has 5. This one has 1. You can't see it, but there's a 1. And so the degree is 5. This one, find the degree. It's 1. If it's a variable, you don't see an exponent, just know that it's 1. Number of terms, 1, 2. Find number of terms and the degree. So there's 4 terms you can count. The variable with the highest exponent, well, it's r. They're all r's, but the highest exponent is 6. Number of terms, 2. The degree, 1. This one has a 0, so it's 1. Number of terms, there's 2 terms. Degree, exponent is 2, exponent's 1, 2 is higher, so the degree is 2. I think you get the idea. Find a number of terms and the degree of this polynomial. 3 terms. Highest exponent is 2, so the degree is 2. Now we're finding out terms and degree of this polynomial. So the first one here has a 9. Second one has a 1, 3. So the degree is 9. And you know the number of terms. It's 3. Find the number of terms and the degree of this polynomial. There's only 1 term, and its exponent is 6. So it's the 6th degree. Okay, I think you get the idea. That's 1 term, and the exponent's not there, so it's 1. Okay. There's 3 terms. Highest exponent is 10. Okay. Find number of terms. It's 1 term. Exponent is 3. Okay, new one. Classify this polynomial. Polynomial. We've done monomials. Mono is 1 term. Polynomial could be a couple things. Poly means many, by the way. That prefix there means many. Like polygon, many sides. Polytheistic, many gods. Okay. However, monomial does fall into that category. Okay. And I'm going to get this one wrong. I'm going to say it's none of these. Okay. So tells you this. The correct answer is this. Explanation. Okay. Let's just review the problem. Okay. The terms are expressions or numbers that are added or subtracted. A polynomial is a monomial if it has 1 term. A binomial if it has 2 terms, and a trinomial if it has 3 terms. 1, 2, 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. We'll get back to that. Number of terms here is 3. So this is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. Degree is 2. All right. Number of terms 1, degree is 1. Number of terms 1, degree is 2. Okay, this is a new kind. Now, they want you to classify this polynomial, but if you notice, you don't see monomial, binomial, trinomial. I'm going to get this one wrong. I'm going to say it's cubic. Okay, the answer is none of these. Classify the polynomial. They're just showing the question you had. Okay, the degree of a term is the exponent of its variable, on its variable. To define a degree of a polynomial, find a term with the largest degree. A polynomial is linear if it has a degree of 1, quadratic if it has a degree of 2, and cubic if it has a degree of 3. Okay, so the highest degree here is a 4, and 1 is linear, so it's not linear. 2 is quadratic, so it's not quadratic. 3 is cubic, and it's not cubic, so it's none of them. Okay, back to these problems. Find number of terms and degree of this polynomial. 1 term, you should know this by now. Degree is 1 because the exponent, even though you don't see it, can be a 1. Okay, 1 term, degree is 2. Okay, monomial is 1 term, that has 3, trinomial. Okay, the degree is 1. If it's 1, the degree is linear. Okay, the degree here is 3, and if it's 3, the polynomial is cubic. The degree is 4. Can't be cubic because cubic is 3. Can't be quadratic because the degree is 2, which is kind of confusing because quad usually means 4, but it's not quadratic. Linear, if the degree is 1, it's not. So you're left with none of these. Okay, 90. So at most 10 more to go. Classify this polynomial. The degree is 1. Remember, linear is 1. Okay, monomial. No, it has 2 terms. Binomial. One term, monomial. There you go. Okay, so they want to know degrees when it's these choices. Linear degree is 1. The degree is 2, so it's quadratic. The degree is 1, so it's linear. Okay, monomial, it's 1 term. There you go. It's 1 term, but they're not talking about monomial, binomial, none of that stuff. They want to know the degree. Degree is 1, so it's linear. Okay, binomial, it's 2 terms. Okay. Linear, is it linear? Well, the degree is 1, so yes. Okay. Binomial, well, that's only 1 term, so no. Trinomial, it's only 1 term, so no. Monomial, it is 1 term, so it's monomial. And there you go. So 8 minutes, but that's not a lot of time. So just watch this video again if you forgot anything, and you should be good with this assignment. Good luck.